Welcome back to the Review Garage, the place where horsepower meets hype, and every drive tells a story. If you're into the roar of a twin-turbo, the thrill of fresh design, and everything that makes your blood pump octane, you're in the right garage. Buckle up. Today, we're diving into the next generation, 2026 Nissan Z, that's just been officially unveiled. And trust me, Nissan didn't hold back this time. So let's get right into it. The 2026 Nissan Z is not just a refresh, it's a rebirth. It's what happens when legacy meets innovation in a head-on collision of style, speed, and soul. Nissan has taken the legendary Z nameplate, forged in the fires of motorsport history, and launched it into the future with precision. Visually, the new Z strikes a fine balance between retro inspiration and modern aggression. The silhouette is unmistakably Zello, long, and lean. But now, the lines are sharper, the edges tighter, and the proportions even more athletic. The front fascia features a widened grille with a blacked-out honeycomb pattern that screams performance, flanked by newly sculpted LED headlights that subtly nod to the 240Z. Around the back, the taillights are sleek horizontal LED bars, set into a gloss black panel that gives the car a wider, more muscular stance. Under the hood, Nissan brought serious heat. The 2026 Z now boasts a revised 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, tuned to deliver an estimated 450 horsepower. Yes, that's right, 450 and over 440 pounds-ft of torque. That's a solid 50 horsepower more than the outgoing model, mated to a slick 6-speed manual gearbox as standard or an optional 9-speed automatic for those who prefer the paddle-shifting life. This thing is built to move. Nissan also enhanced the cooling system and added a new electronically controlled, limited slip differential to make sure all that power meets pavement the way it should. The chassis has been reworked with rigidity upgrades, lighter materials, and improved suspension geometry. Whether you're carving through mountain twisties or hammering out hot laps, this Z feels tighter, faster, and more connected. And with launch control now standard on both trims, expect sub-4 second 0 to 60 times, pushing it into serious sports car territory. Inside, it's all business but with style. The cabin is focused, with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, race-inspired steering wheel, and premium materials across every touchpoint. The infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a new 9-inch touchscreen integrates beautifully into the dash. Nissan added performance readouts, G-force meters, turbo gauges, name it. It's digital, it's dynamic, and it's dripping with driver-first attitude. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 Z now includes Nissan's ProPilot Assist suite with adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, and emergency braking with pedestrian detection. So while this car is every bit a throwback to the raw machines of the past, it's packed with the tech we need in today's world. Nissan is also offering a new track-focused variant called the Z Nismo RS. That one adds a more aggressive aero, packaged carbon ceramic brakes, and a tighter suspension setup, making it track day ready right from the showroom floor. All in all, the 2026 Nissan Z proves that Nissan still knows how to deliver a pure, thrilling driving experience. It's got the soul of the original Z, the power of a modern sports car, and the design to turn heads at every corner. If you've got a love for the Z lineage, this one's going to hit you right in the feels. And if you've never driven one before, this might just be your moment. This is the Review Garage, and if your heart's still racing, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fire-breathing features. Catch you in the next drive.